And several such workshops at the national level, at regional level, at the state level, at the district level. And today we had very interesting deliberations. I was very glad to see a very committed, sensitive DM madam who came and shared her expertise with us. And similarly, the DCP and the other officers of the district have demonstrated a lot of commitment. We had a very interesting interactive sessions, and we are also trying to tell everybody. So you must also know that in out there in NCPCR at the national level, we have dealt with a lot of grievances in past 8 months. Around we have dealt with 30,000 such cases of child rights violations, and we have brought them to logical closure. Approximately 2,300 children we have dealt for rescue, release, repatriation. 1,800 children have been rescued from trafficking. There are certain anti-trafficking units, specialized anti-trafficking cell in the commission which we have established. We have discussed about that in some investigation cell related activities, using of AI and the technology in sexual abuse, child sexual abuse, working for children of prisoners, and for their rights. The commission is sensitively and dedicatedly working. Our member secretary Saab, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, who is at the helm of affairs, has given very good direction to the commission in last 8 months, and we would be going to various states. I am looking after Northeast, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh also. So our focus is that child rights awareness is required. We have discussed, and very interestingly, all the concerned stakeholders were here. I am very happy that the required stakeholders, whether it is from the CWC, whether it is the anti-human trafficking unit, whether education department, or the the child line and JJBs, AHU, everybody were here, and we had a very engaging discussion. In the first half, we spoke a lot about safety of children in schools, how to protect and prevent our children from cyberbullying, how to ensure their cyber safety. And now we are discussing on the salient provisions of JJ POXO. In the morning session, we have touched upon trafficking related aspects also. So I'm very hopeful. The government of India is extremely committed to rights of the children, and similarly at the state government here, we have received very good response. We are able to see a lot of commitment. So we are hopeful that wherever we are going, wherever the commission is taking this agenda, it will be a very fruitful and engaging session, and we hope to have a lot of sensitivity, because without spreading awareness or generating sensitization, we will not be able to prevent or protect our children from such violations that are happening rampantly. So it is in every effort. A call to action is we should join hands. There should be convergence. There should be concerted efforts. And with this, I think these are some of the salient works of the commission I have already highlighted, and we stay committed. If anything which is within the mandate of the commission, which we can perhaps do from our level, we will be more than happy to engage, and we hope that we will keep getting such cooperation from various districts and states. Thank you so much. Thank you.